In today's video, I will be reviewing some tomato cages that Amazon suggested to me. They were priced at $9.99 with, on top of that, a 10% off coupon for 6 cages. When you get the package in the mail, it comes with these instructions and several cages that look like this. So this would be one set. Also in the set, you get these little clips and these adapter things that let you hook the posts together, and I'll show you how that works. So I disassembled the tomato cage, and this is the adjustable plant support ring here. It's essentially controlled by these two little clips here. You can make it smaller by bringing them further apart, or make it bigger by putting them together. We're going to be talking about how you can adjust the distance between the rings up and down to fit the plant height to a greater extent. Essentially, each of the rings comes with this little clip here. The ring fits inside of here like that, and then you do 3 around the circle, and then this is where you would attach the support. The support stakes are pretty good quality. They're kind of like a covered plastic, maybe. They're pretty lightweight. I don't know, like I said, I don't know how good they would be for tomatoes, but I don't know, maybe for next thing is the stake connectors, which are those little green pieces that I was showing earlier. Essentially, they are just pieces that will connect 2 of the stakes together to make it taller. So you would just take this is the bottom, and then this would be one of the middle pieces where the connector would go. You would put that on there, and then you would put another stake on top of that to make your cage taller. Lastly are the butterfly clips that it comes with. We include a pack of butterfly clips. You can fix them to the leaf stem of your plant. They're essentially like little hair clips that you may get at the dollar store. Yeah, they're okay, I guess. Okay, I've got a pot here with a little bit of soil in it for demonstration purposes. I've got about this much soil on the bottom there to let it have something to anchor into, and it's pretty flimsy, so yeah, I don't know. I'd probably give it a 2-star out of 5. That's just my opinion. So, Mowgli had to give his 2 cents. It fits, I said 5 stars is his philosophy. So yeah, we went ahead and gave it kind of a 2-star just because of how flimsy it was. I will still try to use it in the garden. Obviously, Mowgli gives it the 5 stars. Thank everybody so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Bye for now.